Hello and welcome. Today's message is powerful and meant to awaken something deep within you. Let's dive in. Your soul has a remarkable way of recognizing truth. It doesn't need proof, validation, or explanation. It knows when something resonates at a deep, unshakable level. Think about moments when you've met someone for the first time and immediately felt a connection, or perhaps a warning. Think about ideas, books, or teachings that felt like they were written for you, even if you couldn't fully explain why. That's your soul recognizing truth. It's quiet but persistent. It doesn't argue, it doesn't beg, it simply knows. And when you ignore it, you feel tension, unease, or dissonance. When you honor it, you feel alignment, peace, and clarity. Your soul's recognition is instantaneous because it sees beyond appearances. It sees the essence beneath the surface, the energy behind the words, and the vibrations of what's real. You may try to rationalize it with logic, but your soul already knows. So today, pay attention to those instant recognitions, the ideas that feel right without needing proof, the people who either elevate or drain you immediately, the opportunities that feel aligned even if they scare you. Your soul is your inner compass. Trust it, listen to it, act on it. The more you honor its truth, the more effortlessly your life will flow toward your highest path. Enjoyed this message? Join our YouTube Omnistian family at the Omnistians by subscribing, and let's create a space filled with clarity, healing, and support. Return next time. Your message will be waiting.